What's going on, people? It's GBP baby. It's 8:37 on Wednesday, the 10th of May, 2023. I am still feeling a bit ill. You can probably hear it in my voice, and I'm gonna keep this one short and simple. We had CPI today, clearly, and yeah. So yesterday I marked out this. What did I mark out? I marked out this fair value gap, and I was talking about how we traded through it, and that I wanted to see it show support for higher prices. So as you can see, we traded back into it today, and we haven't actually traded below it, and volume has remained pretty much above, which again is doing exactly what I wanted in terms of showing support and indication for higher prices. Tomorrow I believe we do have some quite big news drivers. Show that to a 4 hour real quick. Tomorrow we have growth rate, and then on Friday we have unemployment rate. I think we might have some more, bear with me. Yeah, so tomorrow we actually have the Bank of England's interest rate decision. That's going to cause a lot of volatility. That's 12 o'clock tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that. And we also have goods trade on Friday, GDP growth rate. So there's a lot of news. We've got European CPIs as well. So there's a lot of news that's going to be released for the rest of the week, which is why it's going to be a quite volatile week in general. So that's why the markets are very sticky right now. It was nice to see that we remained bullish in terms of not trade, as in my analysis on wanting to see this daily fair value gap show support. It's nice to see that we've witnessed that. Now obviously we took out these highs here, so I don't know if it's going to engineer some south side liquidity to take out, or we're just going to carry on working up into these levels here. This is the weekly, this big orange box is a weekly fair value gap, as you can see, and I've marked out the 50% of that. That's where I want to see price push up to, realistically. But as you can see, generally speaking, we haven't had a very consolidated week, as in we've been very range bound. Obviously we've just broke that range here. If we look at where we are now, we can see we're just about to trade into a premium. But yeah, there's not much for me to say in terms. These are very difficult conditions, so I don't really want to speak too much. But I think it's just the best idea that we keep an eye on this on the Sunday opening. You can see our price is oscillating quite invariably around it. You see we traded below it here, came to it, left it, traded to it again today aggressively during CPI, took out all these highs and came back down below it. So yeah, it's just a matter of us being very range bound right now, and you can see that here we traded down to this order block, and then obviously this happened, and then we traded like that. Like it's a very consolidated markets right now. I don't want to be saying too much. I have got my eye on this fair value gap though on the 15-minute. It is below the daily fair value gap, which I said I don't want to see price trade to. But my eye is here, so I am going to mark that out as a potential discount PD array. See if price does want to reach down there. However, like I said, it shouldn't, due to the fact that I want this blue daily fair value gap to act as support for higher prices. So really, realistically, do I want to see price go down there? No, but it is a potential target, so I'm going to have that marked out. What am I expecting for tomorrow? I want to see this sell side get taken out. This buy side, sorry. I want to see this buy side liquidity get taken out. We haven't actually formed much sell side. I guess this could be seen the sell side, obviously this here. But you can see that we clearly traded right into this order block. So it's a matter of, I guess it's just a matter of time really. And see how price treats these levels. So yeah, today's not as, I mean my prediction looking forward isn't as clear as say yesterday's, but that's obviously due to the conditions of the market, so I don't want to say too much. But yeah, that's pretty much me for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.